Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, so the icon with a gear icon. Let me actually change the brightness, let me decrease it so you will be able to see everything better. Now in this section we have to scroll and find the option wallpaper. As you can see, it is set as a separate section. And after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the specific wallpaper, for example this one, and then tap on apply. Here you've got also this blur effect, so you can tap on this drop icon and your device will basically blur the wallpaper. Unfortunately, you cannot really change the level of this filter, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. At the top you've got also the local photos, so you can choose your own photos and set them as a wallpaper, and you've got the custom one. So after tapping on it, you can tap on change wallpaper, and as you can see here, we've got much more options from which we can choose. Those are also available online, I believe, so make sure that you've got the internet connection. And here you've got different sections like landscapes, geometric shapes, live, etc. So you can choose something from those options. Moreover, I'd like to show you another option, which is right here. As you can see at the bottom, we've got the option more wallpaper. So let's simply tap on it, and we will be transferred to the themes, where we can choose an online wallpaper, which are also free of charge. So that's a great option. Here you've got the themes. So as you can see, you can check different wallpapers here, but they are associated with a theme. So if you will tap, for example, on this one, you will see that the icons will also change slightly. I mean, the settings, for example, doesn't look the same as in the regular theme, let's say. However, after scrolling down a little bit, you've got the section popular wallpapers. So let me tap on more and let's check for different options from which we can choose. And as you can see, we've got plenty beautiful wallpapers from different categories. So if you wish, you can choose something from those, and I think I will pick this one. So just tap on the specific wallpaper, you will see it on the full screen and decide whether you like it or not. If you would like to apply it, simply tap on download first of all, let your device download it, and then tap on apply. Now your device will ask you where you want to set it, so as a lock screen or home screen or launcher basically. So I'll pick the launcher. Here we've got the information, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.